IT is locked in a global arms race with cybercriminals. Advanced threats come from all quarters, attacking all layers of the information stack. IT has responded with complex multi-layer security comprised of a huge number of safeguards. So large, in fact, that no single person can keep up with every aspect of security. Different groups manage vulnerability assessment, patch management, safeguards, network security, and more. The risk and threat data produced by assessment tools and safeguards is layer-specific and fragmented as well. As a result, security staff is often forced to make decisions and act based on incomplete or incorrect information. So how do we obtain a complete picture of risk and enable the optimal response? Today, many use SIEM solutions to provide correlation and visibility into siloed security. And while SIEM provides useful intelligence into your security posture, there are shortcomings. First, SIEM focuses on events, what is or has happened. Second, SIEM is passive. It monitors, correlates, and provides intelligence, but it doesn't take action. What IT needs is a solution that starts with comprehensive intelligence and then adds active mitigation. Critical Watch developed the Active Countermeasure Intelligence platform for precisely this purpose. Here's how it works. It can integrate into popular SIEM solutions, security device management dashboards, or other third-party security and compliance consoles to provide deep analytics and actionable intelligence. Risk collection agents enable interaction with the various risk tools in your environment to gather information about vulnerabilities, software weakness, and malware in your network, endpoints, applications, web properties, and so on. It can then feed this information to the ACI recommendation engine through a family of risk input APIs. But that's just half the story. The ACI platform can also connect to countermeasures using control agents. That way, the ACI recommendation engine can synthesize risk and countermeasure inputs to design an optimal mitigation plan. Using policy-driven workflow, the ACI platform can then mitigate risk by directing the countermeasure controllers to execute specific remedies. Here's an example. A CISO recently launched a web-based application on his extranet. In order to ensure he is protecting sensitive data, he wants to see the most effective countermeasures to address all risks that affect confidentiality, require no authentication to exploit, with an attack vector of malicious input over the web. The ACI platform can combine risk data, countermeasure state data, and analytics from the ACI recommendation engine. It could then implement a blended response that includes tuning an IPS setting, reconfiguring an XML firewall, validating that database activity monitoring is applied to the target assets, and finally, recommend installing an application hardening solution. The ACI platform by Critical Watch can give IT the tools they need to keep the cybercriminals at bay. Critical Watch, taking an active interest in your security.